Hello everyone, I'm Samantha and I welcome you all back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking on how can you treat oily skin type. So if you're a person dealing with oily skin, then this video is exactly for you. So if that makes your interest, please do watch my video till the end. And now without any further delay, let's get started. So before we start with the treatments for oily skin type, let me tell you all what is oily skin, what are the causes for oily skin, and why is oily skin more prone to breakouts. So firstly, what is oily skin? Fact is that everyone has oil in their skin. Under each of your pores is a sebaceous gland that produces natural oils called sebum. This helps keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Now in some people, the sebaceous glands can produce too much oil, so this overproduction of oil creates oily skin. Secondly, what are the causes for oily skin? Oily skin can be caused by a number of reasons such as junk food, genetics, poor diet, etc. Now why is oily skin more prone to breakouts? Breakouts are most likely because the sebum gets mixed with the dead skin cells and gets stuck in your pores. Now let's get started with the treatments for oily skin type. So firstly, wash your face regularly. Now washing your face at least twice a day should be a part of your skincare routine. You can use a mild and gentle cleanser that doesn't strip away your natural oils but cleans your face well. This also cleans clogged pores and removes dirt and bacteria from your skin while also preventing breakouts. Now remember always to not to overwash your face because overwashing can dry up your skin and cause the sebaceous glands to produce excess sebum. Tone your skin. Now is toning really important? Well, yes, it is important because it helps to restore your skin's pH balance, cleans your pores and also adds moisture to your skin. Now toners can also be used as deep cleansers and it also helps remove dirt and oil from your skin. Now if you do not like to apply a toner in the daytime, make sure you apply it in the night time because it can help repair and heal your skin while you sleep. Moisturize your skin. Never forget to moisturize. Though it may sound odd to apply moisturizers to oily skin, but the fact is that moisturizers are beneficial for all skin types. Moisturizers, they actually help keep your skin hydrated and prevent it from producing excess sebum. Now moisturizing your skin is also important because your skin needs that hydration, nourishment and moisture. So people with oily skin can use a oil control moisturizer and also remember to use a lightweight moisturizer which can prevent your skin from feeling too heavy. Avoid direct sun exposure. Now direct exposure to the sun dehydrates your body as well as your skin. This may also cause your body to overproduce oil. So whether you are staying indoors or outdoors, make sure you apply an SPF. Now SPF not only protects your skin from the sun but also helps protect from signs of aging, pigmentation and skin damage. So you can apply a thin layer of SPF after you apply your moisturizer to enhance the quality of your skin. Remove your makeup when not required. Now, removing your makeup when not required actually allows your skin to breathe openly. Also, the sooner you remove chemicals from your skin, the lesser damage they cause. Now, always remember to remove your makeup before you go to bed because it can literally clog your pores leading to breakouts. Clean your makeup tools. Now make sure you clean your makeup equipment at least once a week because dirty tools when used on skin can lead to clogged pores. Use oil-free makeup products. Now if you are prone to oily skin and you love wearing makeup, make sure you invest in oil-free makeup products because oil-based makeup products can clog your pores and result in skin conditions like acne. Pat dry your face. When drying your face after washing and using toner, make sure you pat dry your face gently with a soft and clean towel, because rubbing your face too harsh can cause your skin to stimulate more sebum production. Acne treatment. If you are using additional oils or gels for acne in your skincare routine, it can help solve the skin concern from within. You can use essential oils like tea tree or gels like aloe vera, vitamin C, neem, etc., because it can help reduce acne and also thereby reduce inflammation and leave your skin clear and acne free. Use a mattifying face mask. Now, mattifying face masks, they actually help to unclog your pores and even out your skin tone. It's best for oily skin because it works on the excess oil and dirt without drying out your skin completely. Always remember, whatever skin type you may be, whenever you apply any new product on your skin, make sure you always do a patch test first. Now, patch test means basically you're testing the product on your skin. So you can take a small portion of your skin and apply a very little amount of product and test it and see whether it works or irritates your skin. Highly recommend this tip for those with sensitive skin, but it's totally beneficial for all skin types. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video, and if you found the video very helpful and beneficial, please do like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see treatments for other skin types as well. So bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.